What's up guys, it's me JimmyaGeek. So this is my Xiaomi Mi Mix 5G. So right now let me do the OTG test. Yes, you heard me right. The simple beautiful OTG test. Okay, we need something like this and this, and then let me just plug in the flash drive, and then here we go with this simple beautiful OTG. Let's see, do it work or not. Let me go to the file manager. Okay, the file manager, transfer file, no need. Okay, the file manager. Okay, cancel, use for portable phone, portable storage. So it's working. So yeah, it's showing it easily. So yeah, this flash drive work, but I wanna test some more, something like maybe this one. This is my favorite PNY made from steel. Okay, and let's see. So yeah, it's working. As you can see, it's working. So yeah, it was me, none other than JimmyaGeek. Make sure to subscribe and bye.